Spaghetti aglio e olio recipe, easy and authentic. Spaghetti aglio e olio is one of the simplest yet most flavorful Italian pasta dishes, made with garlic, olive oil, and a touch of red pepper flakes. This recipe is a quick dinner that's ready in under 20 minutes. It's light, aromatic, and full of flavor, the perfect comfort food that feels gourmet without requiring fancy ingredients. Ingredients: 1 pound dried spaghetti, half a cup olive oil, 6 cloves garlic, thinly sliced, 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes, adjust to taste, 1/4 cup fresh Italian parsley, chopped, 1 cup Parmigiano-Reggiano cheese, finely grated. Instructions: cook the pasta. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add the spaghetti and cook until al dente, about 10 to 12 minutes. Reserve about 1 cup of pasta water, then drain the rest. Prepare the garlic oil. In a large skillet, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the sliced garlic and cook gently until golden and fragrant. Be careful not to burn it. Add spice. Stir in the red pepper flakes and cook for about 30 seconds. Turn off the heat to prevent the garlic from overcooking. Combine pasta and sauce. Add the drained spaghetti directly into the pan with the garlic oil. Toss well, adding a splash of reserved pasta water if needed to coat evenly. Finish the dish. Stir in fresh parsley and grated Parmesan cheese. Toss again until the pasta is glossy and well coated. Serve. Plate the pasta, sprinkle with extra Parmesan if desired, and serve warm. Tips for the best spaghetti aglio e olio. Use high-quality olive oil, since it's the base of the flavor. Don't burn the garlic. Golden is perfect, but brown will make it bitter. Reserve some pasta water to help emulsify the sauce and make it silky. For a traditional Italian touch, skip the cheese, but many love the creamy richness it adds.